So, ladies and gentlemen, I have this honor to invite Dr. Sonia Salim. She's the founder and CEO of SET CEC at Pasha and focal person for EdTech at PMYP. Dr. Sonia is a visionary leader with deep commitment to transforming education and technology. Today, she will guide us through the power shift, the leadership journey that starts within. So please welcome Dr. Sonia Salim. Over to you, Dr. Sonia.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं? So, thank you so much PSTD, and the journey I'm going to talk about is it's like ये अभी नहीं शुरू हुई. It's a long process. When I was a student, छोटी सी थी, शौक था, और I wanted to do something different. And the family business was totally different, and my business was like, it's totally different. It's more like IT, education, technology. So I was student in UK. I have studied, like my basic studies were from UK. And you know what used to happen? I used to come to Pakistan, and log different नामों से डिफरेंट चीज़ों से वो कहते थे कि यार इनके पास तो बहुत कुछ है, इनको कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, एंड दे कैन डू देयर थिंग्स देमसेल्व्स. सो व्हाट आई हैव डन, मैंने इन चीज़ों से लर्निंग करना शुरू की. जैसे आप लोगों को पता होगा कि बेसिकली इन चीज़ों को समझने के लिए आपको खुद समझने की ज़रूरत होती है. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन विद माई डिफरेंट फ्रेंड्स, हमने सोचा कि हम एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हैं जो कि बेसिकली आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट, टेक्नोलॉजी रिलेटेड चीज़ें शुरू करते हैं, विच वॉज टोटली फेल. सो व्हाट मोटिवेटेड मी वॉज द फेलियर. सो जो फेलियर था उसकी वजह से आई वॉज आई वेंट टू अ स्टेप अहेड. सो यहाँ पर मुझे किसी ने बिज़नेस शुरू किया हो, कोई ऐसी खातून, वो मुझे बताना चाहेंगी कि जो उन्होंने बिज़नेस शुरू किया तो वो फेल हुई या सक्सेसफुल हुई विद इन 1 year. Is there anyone? Yes, Rabia.
So yeah, starting a business is very risky indeed. So there are failures and success going side by side. So in the beginning, I also came across setbacks. But I stayed resilient, and I had perseverance to move forward.
What exactly motivated you?
Oh, what motivated me is that I'm always, I'm someone, I believe in being the go-getter. I do not like to accept that I cannot move forward. So I just keep on trying, and that is something that keeps me motivated all the time.
Okay, thank you so much, Rabia. Rabia is our, she's in Chambers. It's very difficult to work with women in Chambers. I was there as a senior vice president. So we actually, when I was there, we have actually introduced so many things. They are doing a lot of good things, many good projects. So anybody else want to share their story? Because I'll start with my story after I hear yours. So anyone else? You can also, the men lot can also tell me their stories if they are entrepreneur, or maybe in job they faced any challenge. बताएंगे नहीं तो मैं कैसे बताऊंगी आप लोगों को? Anyone? Guys, I don't have a lot of time here because they told me कि आप लोग 5-10 मिनट में गायब होने वाले हैं. Come on. Yes, please. Mic, please. उनको mic देंगे.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. I hope आप सभी आवाज़ सुन सकते हैं. अच्छा, I would like to share my story in just 2-3 minutes because I heard that time is very short. When I started working, I started with a big bank named American Express Bank, and I was only 18 years old. Rather, मेरा ID card भी नहीं बना था, तो मैंने job पे रहते हुए ID card बनवाया. तो then I got to know कि banking sector में भी नौकरियां सिर्फ जो खवातीन के लिए थी वो ये थी कि आपने what we call greeter. So you have to be greeter, you have to be personal assistant to a big shot, or you have to be a kind of telephone operator. अच्छा, लेकिन कहानी यहाँ रुक जाती अगर मैं भी वहाँ रुक जाती. And this was back in late 90s, 1999 or 98. तो उसके बाद से फिर मैंने देखा एक बहुत बड़ा paradigm shift हुआ. And then I also started कि I kept working and I kept moving ahead and I kept studying. आप अपनी एजुकेशन भी इम्प्रूव करते रहे और फिर मैंने इस पैराडाइम को शिफ्ट होते देखा कि बैंकिंग में ही फिर women started coming as customer service officer, a huge jump. Then in the general banking offices, and then MBAs, and then trend changed. So with the passage of time, we also improved. And now when I see a lot of females and girls coming up with good ideas and on good jobs, अच्छी जगहों पर बैठे हुए, तो it sounds very nice. And I love when it is positive. Because जब हम positive होते हैं, मुझे लगता है हर चीज़ positive तरीके से चल रही होती है. Things are directing towards good and success. लेकिन जब हम negativity की तरफ जाते हैं, नहीं मुझे ये नहीं मिल सकता, वो नहीं हो सकता, तो मुझे लगता है वहाँ पर आप drop down होना शुरू हो जाते हैं. So I think positivity is something which I personally feel that I could attain this position as vice president today because I was positive and I remain positive for the success in future. Thank you very much.
Very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. So moving to the next slide, Alia, if you can click it because it's not in my hand. So this is the journey of Dr. Sonia Salim. I have started my first project when I was here in Pakistan, and I tried to bring a little bit change in education sector because there were so many good opportunities for for everyone, but for youth and for women, I used to see nothing. So like I was there. Promethean was my first brand where we were like having the education. This is the brands I work with, where we were bringing the entrepreneurship skills. So entrepreneurship skills were the only missing factor which I have seen in Pakistan. So I brought the global leaders. I work with different universities, education technology related things. So then I came up with the solution. So who is the first person who basically has done something in their life for education? Anyone here? Please. Like in education sector, any female started, they wanted to do something in education sector. In education sector. Anyone from the audience? Anyone?
Okay. So
No one likes education.
So if, since nobody else is here from education perhaps, so not just being an entrepreneur at the moment, I've also taught for a good 10 years. And I have taught from Montessori till high school. And not just going through that process, I have on every step, I did not just rely on me being teaching, but I was also trying to train myself on all the scales. So starting from Montessori, I trained myself for Montessori teacher, and then I'm a trained IB teacher. And I've also headed the science department of the middle school and being the science lead of all the schools there. So I believe education being the core of all the disciplines actually. So this is something I really take pride in, and I'm very happy that that also helps me now being an entrepreneur. My background in education is really helpful. So,
It's
yeah.
actually, thank you so much for this because nobody was willing to tell about this. So when you see the mirror, what do you see? Like eyes, nose, myself. Yes. What is myself? Please बताइए ना, खड़े हो बताएं.
When I see myself in the mirror, it's me. It's my accomplishments. It's me.
What's
I
your name?
totally get motivated by looking at me.
What's your name?
Namra Jameel.
नम्रा क्या नजर आता है खुद को देख?
मुझे एक कॉन्करर नजर आता है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, जिसने गिव अप करने से इनकार किया था कि आई कांट गिव अप. आई कांट गिव अप.
Okay, so give up करने से इनकार किया था. This
Yes.
is very good. Clapping, guys. Come on. नम्रा ने give up करने से इनकार किया था. We have few, professionals here from different banking sector. I would like to know from them, what do you see when you see the mirror?
I can do it.
I can do it.
Yes.
Okay. So when you say I can do it, what actually triggers in your mind?
मैं जो भी सोच रही हूँ वो मैंने करना है. मैंने उस पर गिव अप नहीं करना. लाइक अगर मैं कोई भी टारगेट सेट करती हूँ कि यार ये ऐसे नहीं होगा, ये ऐसे नहीं होगा, और बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं कि ये नहीं होगा, बट व्हेन आई हैव अ विल पावर तो आई कैन डू इट, और वो मैं कर लेती हूँ.
Okay, and you have like I've seen like there's so many people in banking sector. Most of them are male. How do you tackle that situation when you are come across some?
जब एक लेडी होती है ना, मैं कहती हूँ सारे बंदों के बीच में भी ना, जब वो कॉन्फिडेंट हो कि मैंने इनको चलाना है, मैंने इनको दिखाना है, और अगर मैं ये कर सकती हूँ तो ये लोग भी कर सकते हैं. और जब हम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में बहुत सारे मेल्स होते हैं तो वहाँ पे मैन आर डोमिनेंट, तो वो यही सोचते हैं कि यार यहाँ पे फीमेल है, हमने ये काम नहीं करना. एक वो उनका अपना ग्रुप बन जाता है. तो वहाँ पे अपने आप को एक अलग तरीके से पेश करके उनको बताना कि ये चीज़ें ऐसी हैं, तो मेरे ख्याल से अगर हम वो चीज़ें कर सकते हैं तो उनको भी ये चीज़ें फॉलो करनी चाहिए. लेकिन जो ग्रुप्स और इस तरह की चीज़ें हैं वो नहीं होनी चाहिए जहाँ पे मोस्टली फीमेल्स अकेली होती हैं इन मैन में.
So do you get fundings in Pakistan when you try to start your business? Do you get fundings? Yes. मुझे कह रहे हैं बंद कर दें भाई, अभी आगे बहुत कुछ है. From banking, from family, anyone want to answer this question? Do you get easy funding to fund your business? Yes. So are there any mentors for you to handle that situation for you, or it's just like you want to start it and it will end eventually?
Actually, mentors are always matter in your life.
Okay.
If you start on your own, there are chances of failure and like success. But when you have mentors, they can assure and they can guide you. So
Okay.
mentors are must in your life.
So mentorship is very important.
Very important.
So last slide I will go. Alia, if you can, please. The last, no questions. The last one? No, the third last. I would like, next one. So these are the leadership from within. So I would like you to, think about yourself, start writing, क्योंकि मुझे कहा है कि बस कर दें. So we can connect with each other on LinkedIn, on social media pages, and we can help each other to grow. So from my side, because I don't have much time, I came very late. So thank you so much everyone for bearing me.